Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies. What is that lesson? 9th lesson. Public health and the government. Public means the people who are living in a country. That is called public, we know. So here the duty of the government must look after all welfare programs towards the public. Okay, children? So in this, health is very important. In the previous classes also, we discussed about many points in this lesson. So the government provided hospital facility to the public. Okay, children? So health is important. Next one here, we discussed about private hospitals and public hospitals. That means government hospitals. In private hospitals, we must pay the fee for the visiting of doctor. That means the private doctors will collect the fees from the patients. But in government hospitals, the doctors may not or they cannot collect any fees from the patient. Why? Because the government will provide every month salaries to the staff of the government hospitals, nurses and doctors, etc. Okay, children? So, next one here, basic public facilities. What are the basic public facilities? Transportation, electricity, drainage system, municipal water. Okay, children? Next, these all must to provide by the concerning authorities of any area, whether it is village, town, city, etc. Okay, children? But in this, water is very important one, children. Water. So that's why every day morning and evening the municipal water is running by the municipal department. Okay, children? So in village areas, the panchayat, the sarpanch and remaining people, they will supply the drinking water to the village people. Okay, but here water, due to the polluted water, many diseases will affect to the people due to the polluted water. So many people died in the previous years. That means many years ago. So what diseases will affect due to the polluted water? I wrote here, due to the water, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. Okay, children? So mainly these diseases will affect due to the polluted water. So that's why we need clean drinking water, pure drinking water. So at rainy season, even though the municipality authorities are providing drinking water, but that water is polluted water. So that's why they are purifying the water. Even though purifying the water, but some water is not purifying in some areas. Okay, children. So that's why at rainy season you should drink the water after sterilizing. So you say your moms at home, okay, at rainy season at least before drinking the water you must boil the water or sterilize the water. So then only take the water. So if you boil the water, what will happen? What are the insects inside of the water? We cannot see that small bacteria or insects in that water. Okay, so that's why if you boil the water, that all insects will be died. Okay, children. So that water is pure water. That water is do not harm to our health. Okay, children. So you keep in mind diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. So these type of diseases will affect due to the polluted water. So according to our census, every year 16,000 men will die due to the polluted water, children. How many? 16,000 people will die, not men, all will die. So among them, below 5 years people more. Okay, so that is why children, you must to take care when you are going to take water. Okay, you must ask your parents boil the water. Okay, so which water is pure water? That pure water only you should take it. Next one, health care. So the government duty is provide health care facilities to all public who are living in that area. Next, sanitation. What is that? Sanitation. Sanitation means what are the toilets, public toilets, etc. Electricity. So we need electricity in our domestic purpose. TV, fans, lights, etc. will be used. We are using, but electricity is important for that. Next, public transportation. In our AP also, APSRTC, Rashtra Road Ravana Samstha. Okay, so government buses all, that means APSRTC are running the buses from one area to another area, from town to city, from village to town, etc. So many depots are there, conductors, drivers, next depot managers, so they will look after and they will run these buses, etc. Public transportation. Apart from public transportation, even private vehicles also running upon the roads, but they will collect more charge from the passengers. So here public transportation is safe to the passengers. So that's why we must give importance or preference to public transportation. Okay, children. Next one, schools. So here schools also two types. Private schools are there, public schools also there. In private schools, the individual management will look after and they are running the schools. In the private schools, they will collect the fees from the parents. Okay, children. But in public schools, they may not collect any fees from the parents. The children without cost, free of cost, they are going and educating. Okay, they will study in government schools. On behalf of the parents, government only providing all facilities, buildings, toilets, drinking water, even teacher, non-teaching staff also, children. So every month the government will give salaries to the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, etc. Okay, what is the expenditure? Government will pay to the government schools. Okay, so but here private schools is separate. The parents who are going to educate their children in private schools, the parents have to pay the fees to the concerning management. Okay, children. Next one here, farmers. So farmers also need electricity to running their pump sets, to irrigate their lands, to cultivate their lands. Okay, so who will provide? Government only to provide electricity to the farmers, not only for domestic purpose of all people who are living in that country, but also farmers. Next one, what is the government rule? I said these all functions must do by the government, so they are the government rule. Okay, next one, if the government will provide sealed water bottles to the public or to the children who are studying in government schools, okay, they may not affect by these diseases, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, etc. Okay, children, but unfortunately our government is unable to supply pure water sealed bottles, etc. every schools, government schools. Okay, children, but you keep in mind, you must to take care of your health. How with drinking of pure water. So how can you purify the water? By boiling the water, you can purify the water. So that's why you must say your parents to purify the water or boil the water before you drink. Even you must say to your all family members what are the benefits of pure water, what are the losses of polluted water, etc. Okay, children. Next one, we have right to life. Okay, according to the constitution, every man has right to life. So that's why we must to take care of ourselves And also the government also will provide what are the safety measurements towards the public. Okay. Next, status of nutrition. What is that? Status of nutrition in our Andhra Pradesh. Minister of Health and Family Welfare. One ministry is there, children. So one cabinet minister also there in state government. Okay. CM is the main one. After CM, he will appoint some cabinet ministers, revenue minister, health minister, education minister, irrigation minister, agriculture minister, okay, finance minister, etc. So here health minister also there, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So what is the duty of this health minister? So in the country or in the state, the health minister duty is to provide health facilities towards all people. So that's why they will look after hospitals, district level, state level, mandal level, village level, etc. So the government will appoint some volunteers, ASHA workers, and multi-purpose health assistants. Next to some doctors to the government hospitals. So they will treat the patients. They will give or supplies of medicines also. Even 104, 102, 82 vehicles also, ambulance also there. These ambulance will take care of the people health. If anybody will urgency, if anybody will dial that 108 number, the 108 vehicle or ambulance will rush to that patient house. Okay, that 108 vehicle will bring that patient to the hospital. Okay, children, with free of cost. So here the health ministry will look after these all functions for the purpose of all public in the state. Okay, children. Next one, Ayush, and other departments also there. Our AP Human Development Report is there. This Human Development Report also telling about what is the health status of our AP state. Okay, how many people are dying, how many people are affecting so and so diseases, etc. Next to WHO, World Health Organization. What is that, children? World Health Organization. World Health Organization. This World Health Organization also function for the welfare of all people. That means it will take care of the health of all people in the world, especially children. Okay, children. Next one, according to that World Health Organization, out of two, one person will going to death. Okay, due to the illness or malnutrition, etc. So that percentage is 53%, children. Here they are all especially below 5 years. Okay, it is the report of 2007, I think. Next one, what about our AP position? The AP position is 33% of people. Okay, below 5 years people going to die due to the lack of sufficient food, sufficient health, adequate health, etc. Okay, children. Next one here, 31% women and 25% men are undernourished people. Okay, that means they are not taking food sufficiently. They are not taking food sufficiently, children. How much is 31% women, 25% men. Okay, so that's why government always providing through rations of necessary things, rice, next one dal, sugar, kerosene, etc. every month. Okay, those who have white ration cards. The next, why they are providing these all things? Even in Anganwadis also, they are feeding the small children. That means below 5 years. They are going to Anganwadis. In Anganwadis, teachers and ayahs will take care of them. Every month they will take the measurement of their height and weight. Okay. Next one, ASHA workers also observing and taking report from the Anganwadi centers. Okay children, so this is our your lesson. Okay, thank you.